Hello dear traders, you're on ИнстаФорекс TV channel and I'm Ekaterina Stikhina with the latest financial market news. Most participants of the currency market are in a fresh raft of crucial jobs data from the United States, slated for release later in the day. In the meantime, Friday's release of the eurozone's economic fundamentals prompted traders to close their bullish positions on the single European currency. After trading sideways for a while, the most popular currency instrument in Forex, that is the euro-dollar pair, edged lower to 1.1143, amid the latest flow of statistical reports from the eurozone. The euro already lost some of its ground versus other major currencies during yesterday's trading session, as the European Central Bank published its monetary policy statement. At the regular meeting of the ECB's Governing Council, the European policymakers discussed possible further moves in the region's monetary policy. Earlier, a number of experts published the forecast trying to predict the outcome of the meeting, and yesterday's monetary policy statements were largely in line with these expectations. In a rather unsurprising move, the ECB held its interest rates unchanged at 0%. More importantly, market players were tracking the regulator's updated economic growth and inflation projections. In his remarks made at the press conference following the meeting, ECB President Mario Draghi voiced what most traders were afraid to hear. The eurozone's benchmark interest rate is likely to remain at its current level for a long time, and so is Europe's inflation rate, which could also be stuck in a negative territory. All in all, Draghi pointed out that the European economy is recovering in a steady manner thanks to the necessary policy measures introduced in March. The performance of one of the eurozone's economic sectors confirmed the central banker's words. According to the official data provided by the market group, the eurozone's final composite purchasing managers index climbed to 53.1 in May, beating the forecast for a rise to 52.9. At the same time, the services business activity index increased to 53.3 in May. Most economists said that these figures signal the region's GDP growth of 0.3% in the second quarter. The largest economy in the euro area also showed a pickup in market's final composite PMI. However, the German business activity index still missed analysts' expectations. Germany's final composite purchasing managers index clocked in at 54.5 in May, which is lower than the April reading of 53.6 and the preliminary figure of 54.7. The euro's price auction is already reflecting the current sentiment of investors who prefer to stay on the sidelines for the time being. At the moment, all eyes are on the upcoming US non-farm payrolls report and the jobless rate. These job market fundamentals measuring the health of the US key economic sector are crucial as they weigh heavily on the Fed's decision-making. You have watched ИнстаФорекс TV channel with me, Ekaterina Stikhina. Stay tuned with us. See you.